Today we're going to use the Create a Tree diagram problem-solving strategy using the Messy Space framework. I'm going to start by reading the sample question. There are 8 netball teams representing schools in the local area. The teams are playing in a netball competition to decide on the district champion. It is a knockout competition, which means that once a team is beaten, they leave the competition. How many games will be played during the entire competition? Let's look at phase 1. So what do I already know? I know that there are 8 netball teams, and I know that it is a knockout, meaning if they lose, they are out. What do I need to know? How many games will be played? Let's look at our messy space, phase 2, and we're going to be creating a tree diagram. Now, creating a tree diagram is a great way to visualize all of the different options or all of the different possibilities and combinations within a problem. And it is a great way to be able to see that clearly and visually by looking at the different factors and the relationships between them. So I'm going to create the knockout competition using a tree diagram. So we have 8 teams. We have team 1, team 2, team 3, 4, 5, 6, team 7 and team 8. Let's imagine that they each play each other. So team 1 and 2 verse, team 3 and 4, team 5 and 6, and team 7 and 8. I'm going to come up with an imaginary winner. So let's say team 1 wins, team 3, team 5, and team 7. So from there, team 1 and team 3 are going to play, and team 5 and team 7 are going to play. Let's say team 1 wins and team 5 wins. Then becomes a final with team 1 and 5, and let's say that team 5 are our victors. But how many games have been played? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 games played. So is that reasonable? Yes, it is. There are 7 games played, and we can identify that by counting the games and ensuring each team plays at least once. They would obviously play more games if they had a win. So to write a worded answer, there will be 7 games within the netball knockout competition. And that is how we use the Create a Tree diagram problem-solving strategy within the Messy Space framework.